Hi! In this lesson, we will see what is exponents and powers. What is the use of exponents and powers, how we have to show a number as an exponent, and what are the laws of exponents and some solved questions. So let's start. Exponents. Exponents are used to show a very large number in a simplified way. If you have to show 243, we can represent this number with the help of exponent as 3 power 5. One more example, 125. This number can be shown as an exponent. It's 5 power 3. So if you have to show a very large number in a short way, exponents are used. So it's a mathematical representation which is used to show a number in a short way. And what is meant by an exponent? Exponent, this is called the exponent. So if a number is like this, here if in a mathematical representation, if it is shown like this, here this A, this one, this is called, the name of this is base. And we will call this 5 as exponent or power. So here this 5, the exponent 5 tells that the base has to be multiplied by itself this many times. That is, A power 5 means A multiplied by A, multiplied by A, multiplied by A, multiplied by A. How many times it is multiplied? How many times A is used here? 5 times in multiplication. So the exponent is a number which tells that the base has to be multiplied by itself that many times. So here the exponent is 5. It means that this A has to be multiplied 5 times by itself. A into A into A into A into A. So instead of writing like this, we can show this as an exponent A power 5. So example, if it is 2 power 4, it means that here 2 is the base and 4 is the exponent. So this number 4, the exponent 4 tells that 2 has to be multiplied 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what is the value of this? 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Multiplied by 2, 8. Multiplied by 2, it's 16. So exponent is a number which tells that base that it has to be multiplied this many times. Let's take another example. That is 3 power 3 means that this base 3 has to be multiplied. You have to multiply 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. So which is equal to 3 into 3, 9. 9 3s are 27. And let's take one more example. If it is 4 power 3, then this base 4 has to be multiplied 4 into 4 into 4 because here 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So then multiply 4 multiplied by 4, it is 16. 16 multiplied by 4, it is 64. Next is the laws of exponents, multiplication law. So here, if the base is same, in multiplication, then take the common base and just add the powers, add the exponents. This is the multiplication law. Example here. So here you can see the base is 2. The base is same. If the base is same, then to find the value, just take the common base and add the exponent. In multiplication, if the base is same, take the common base and add the exponents. So which is equal to 2 power 7. Next is the division law. Second law, which is division law. So in division, if the base is same in division, then just take the common base and subtract the exponents. Subtract the exponents. Example, if it is 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 2, then to do this, take the common base, that is 2 power 4 divided by 2 power 2 means take the common base, which is 2, and the exponent is here 4 and here 2. Just subtract the exponents. So it is 2 power 2. This is the second law, division law. Next law, negative exponent. So if it is a negative exponent, then it is like changed to the denominator, then it becomes positive. So this is the next law. So if it is 2 power minus 4, then it is 1 by 2 power plus 4. Means that 1 divided by 60. Then the next law. If any base is raised to the power 0, then this is equal to 1. The result is always 1. If any number raised to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Next law, in multiplication, if the exponent is same, in multiplication and the base is different, then to get the result, just multiply the base a into b and put the common exponent. This is another law, multiplication. In multiplication, if the exponent is same, then just multiply the base and write the common exponent. Example, if it is 2 power 3 into 3 power 3, then to write the answer, just multiply the base, 2 here, 3 here. So 2 into 3 and the common exponent is 3. So which means 2 into 3 is 6 power 3. Yes. Next, in division. This is in multiplication. Next is for division. In division, if the exponent is same and if the base is different, and the exponent is same in division, then just divide the base and put the common exponent. So here it's 4 power 2 divided by 2 power 2. So in this case, if the exponent is same, so take the base, divide it and put the common exponent. So 4 divided by 2, it's 2. So this is the answer. Power raised to a power. So if it is like this, the base raised to the power m, and again if it is raised to power n, then the result is a power mn. Just multiply these two powers. Example, if it is 2 power 3, like this. This is power of power law. So to get the answer, take the base 2 and here the powers are 3 and 4. Just multiply the powers. 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12. So the answer is 2 power 12. One more example, if it is 3 power 2, again if it is raised to another power like 4, then here take the base 3, then the power is 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8. Let's solve some questions. Here the first question is, take the base. This is power of power law. So take the base is minus 3. Write the base, and here power of power. So take the powers and multiply the powers. Powers are 2 and 3, multiply 2 and 2, 3, so which is 6. So the answer is minus 3 power 6. Here the next, division. In division, if the base is same, in division, then take the common base and subtract the exponents. So the exponents are 8 and 2. Just subtract the exponents. This is division law. In division, if the base is same, take the common base and subtract the exponents. So it is x power 6. It's the answer. Next, the third one. This is number raised to the power 0. If a number is raised to the power 0, then it is equal to 1. So this 1 power 0 is 1. Then 2 power 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So it is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So the answer is 3. Here in this leftmost part, let's take the common one, which is 2 power 1995. After taking this as a common, here remains 2 power 3. That is 2 power 1995 plus 3 is 1998. So after taking this common, we will have 2 power 3 in this term, and in this term 2 power 2, and in this term it is 2 power 1. Here we took everything outside, so it is just 1. So the right side is k power 2 power 1995. Yes. Next, let's bring this term here down. So it comes in the denominator, and we will solve this later. Let's keep it 2 power divided by this one. So now it gets cancelled. And here, what is 2 power 3, which is 8? Minus 2 power 2, 4. 2 power 1, it's 2 plus 1. So just solve this. 8 minus 4, it's 4. 4 minus 2, it's 2. 2 plus 1, it's 3. And in the right side, we have k. So we have found the k value is 3. Evaluate this one. So to find the answer, take the base and do prime factorization. Here the number which is not a prime base. So take the base which is not prime. Here 15 is not prime. So do prime factorization. 15 is 3 into 5. So here you have to write the base 15 as 3 into 5, and the exponent is 4. Then 18. 18, do prime factorization. It's 2 into 3, which is 6. 6 into 3, it's 9. 6 into 3, it's 18. So 18 is expressed as 2 into 3 power 2. So here instead of 18, we have to write 2 into 3 power 2. Then the power is here 3. Next, here 3 power 3, the base is a prime number, so no need to change, we can write the same. Next, 5, the base is prime number, so we can take as it is. Here 12, 12 is not a prime base, so change it. So 12 can be written as 2 into 3, which is 6, then 6 into 2, it's 12. So we can say that 2 into 2 into 3, which is 12. So 2 power 2 into 3. So this 12 can be written as 2 power 2 multiplied by 3, and the exponent is here 2. So be careful, you have to take the exponent as well. So next step, here this 3, its exponent 4. Then again 5, its exponent is same 4. Then 2, exponent 3. And the base 3, its exponents are 2 and 3. Next 3 power 3, then 5 power 2, then here 2 power 2, again it's raised to power 2. Next 3 power 2. So 3 power 4, here 5 power 4, then 2 power 3. Next up, this power of power, we have to evaluate that. So 2 into 3, it's 6. Then 3 power 3, here 5 power 2. So power of a power, we have to do this now. 2 power 2 into 2, it's 4. So the next step, the base 3, which has the base 3 in this multiplication law, where there is a base 3, base 3. So this has base 3 and this has base 3. So take the common base 3 and the exponents of this base 3 of 4 here and 6 here. So we have to add the powers. That is multiplication law. If the base is same in multiplication, take the common base and add the exponent. Next, here it's 5 power 4. Let's write that. and 2 power 3. Yes, here 3 is here, 3 is here. Common base is there. The 3 base that's common, and so let's take it and add the powers. Powers are 3 and 2. So add it, 3 plus 2. And then this 5 power 2 and 2 power 4. So here 3 power 10. We can write this as 3 power 10. And here it's 3 plus 2, it's 5. So next is division. Division law. So in division, if the base is same, here 3 base, 3 base. Take the 3 base. So in division, if the base is same, we have to subtract the powers. So 10 minus 5. Next, this one, this base is 5. So it's common base in division. So we have to subtract the powers. 5 power, this one, 4 minus 2. Next is 2. The base 2, in division it is same. So take the exponent and just subtract it. So it means that 3 power 10 minus 5, it's 5. Then here 2, that's minus 1. So the answer is this. Or we can show this negative exponent as like this. And 3 power 5 is 243. 5 power 2 is 25 divided by 2. So this 243 multiplied by 25 is equal to 6075 divided by 2 is the answer. So the answer to this expression is 6075 divided by 2.